Greetings, students. I wanted to talk to you about the NETS-T standards and putting them on your page. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to copy and paste the NETS-T standards all the way down through the copyright information. So let me show you how to do that. You're just going to scroll all the way down, get to the copyright information, and copy it. My recommendation then would be to use Microsoft Word and paste it into Microsoft Word. Notice at the bottom there will be a little clipboard and you can go to keep text only, and this is so that you don't get any kind of weird formatting. Once you've done that, you can copy your text and go back to your Internet Explorer window, and you can copy and paste that into your Google Sites page. Now, in terms of the NETS-T standards, what are the requirements for this particular page? For each number, there are 5 different standards that you're going to have to talk about how you met these particular standards. And underneath these, there are 4 substandards, always A, B, C, and D. You don't have to have examples for each one of the sub-areas, but you need to have at least 2 really big descriptions and items or 3 smaller descriptions and items for each particular one. Now the nice part is you can actually use a lot of the text from here in order to talk about any particular issue. In each one, you're going to provide a short little description about what the artifact is, what kind of technology you used, and then describe how it meets that particular standard. So, for example, one of the things that we did just this past week really helps to address this 4th standard, which is promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility. We talked about copyright information this past week, and we also talked about cyberbullying and sexting, which is this whole idea about digital etiquette and responsible social interactions. So one of the ways that you can talk about this on this particular page with what we just did this past week in week 13 with the cyberbullying is to go ahead and talk and first say, here is my cyberbullying presentation that I made for parents in order to educate them about the dangers and how they could help their students or their children avoid these kind of problems and situations. I feel that this really helped show that I can model digital etiquette and also to promote digital etiquette and responsible social interactions by showing students how to do by showing parents how to avoid cyberbullying or what to do in the case of cyberbullying. I used extra normal or inspiration in order to create this. So there are a lot of different ways that you can talk about it and a lot of different examples. So you just need to select the best examples for you. Let me know if you have any questions about the NETS-T standard, and I'll make sure that I include this really great example website in the email to you.